Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make cheesecake filled Easter eggs. These fun chocolate Easter eggs are filled with a cream cheese filling and it looks just like the inside of an egg. It's super cute. To start, you'll need a dozen hollow chocolate Easter eggs. You can find these anywhere where Easter candy is sold. Then you'll just want to take a sharp knife and cut off the end. And it's okay if there are little jagged edges. Set your chocolate eggs aside and we're going to work on our cream cheese filling. You'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Plop that into a mixing bowl along with a teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. Then just take a hand mixer and beat this together. You want to mix it until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Then we're going to transfer the cream cheese mixture to a piping bag. You don't need a tip on the piping bag though, we're just going to snip off the end. Then you just want to fill each of your eggs to the top. Put those in the fridge and let them chill for 30 to 60 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to put together our filling that will look like a yolk. Pour 2 tablespoons of melted butter into a little bowl and add in 2 tablespoons of apricot jam and a tablespoon of lemon juice, and whisk that together. You want the jam to melt in with the butter. If you want to speed this process up, pop it in the microwave for 15 to 20 seconds. Then just pour the mixture through a strainer to strain out all the chunks. Let this mixture chill in the fridge for 30 to 60 minutes as well. Then it's time to put our yolks into our eggs. Then you just want to groove out a little place for your yolk, so scooping out a little bit will help. Then we'll take our little yolk mixture and just dab a little in there to make it look like a little yolk. And how cute is that? Perfectly edible and perfectly delicious. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. Happy Easter!